We got a check-in, but before you have to carry your bags, so you don't have to go across the grass. You see those white loading carts right there? If you take your bags and drop them to the left of that white cart, we're going to go over here and check in.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, 450 PG&E electric distribution co-workers are heading to Georgia to help repair the electrical lines and restore the power to customers there.
If they ask for volunteers, it doesn't matter if it's Georgia, Hawaii, you're going to get volunteers. 300
trucks departed our Davis Service Center on Wednesday to get in place when our crews arrive.
When I think about what it took to make this happen, it took so many across PG&E. Think about all the trucks that were shipped out, looking at all of our partners throughout California to help ensure that we're coordinated properly. So this is really a team effort.
These are the same crews you might see in your neighborhood when the power is out after a severe storm, and they are heading to Georgia to turn the lights back on and restore power to more than 400,000 customers.
You know, repairing power lines is of course what we're going there for, but just to help anybody else out and whatever that may be is what we're looking forward to doing.
This is the largest deployment of mutual aid personnel to a natural disaster in PG&E history. The decision to send help was not made lightly, but after evaluating our staffing, we are confident we can continue to serve Northern and Central California and support utility customers in Georgia who desperately need to get their power back.
So when I think about our virtues, I think about nimbleness and being tenacious. So being nimble and adjusting our work plan, because it's so important that we're going to get all of our work done here in California while supporting others.
Restoring electric service to Americans during a disaster is at the core of our mission as a utility.
Put yourself in this situation. You lost everything. You ain't got no clothes to put on your back. You ain't got no toothpaste or toothbrush. You ain't got no vehicle. Banks is closed and there's no gas. How would you feel?
Other utilities have helped PG&E in times of crisis, and now it is our turn to return the favor.
At Journeyman Lineman, we'll go wherever the work is, wherever there's down power lines, whatever we can do to help out, get the power restored, get their lights back on. That's why we took this job.